says he really can't hear you. Do you want more? Watch this. Over the top, completely upside down. Let's really hear it for Alex. Would you like to see some more? Now I'm going to join him standing in the center. Watch as he races around me, narrowly missing my body and actually touching my hand.
Let's hear it for Victoria and Alex!
Well, how do you like it so far? Would you like to see some more? All right, we're going to give you more, but first I'd like to take a moment to tell you, directly following our performance, please don't go away, because all of us performers will be right out here to the front of the show. We'll be more than happy to shake your hands or answer any questions you may have about any of the acts that you've seen here today. At that time, we'll also be offering to you an opportunity to have your photograph taken.